Now they have the Haidilao soup base. Wow. Try this spicy one. There's one thing that's different from the other outlets is that they don't have the full range of item products like the bags, t-shirts, cooking utensils, fans, air fryer. They don't have that here. Let's see what things they have here. The fruits on discount, $1.99. We have the bird nest here. Greetings from Singapore. I'm now at the newly opened Sheng Siong right here at Orchard Road, Dhoby Ghaut area. So let's check out their automated machines, and it looks pretty clean and well organized. There's a grab and go session, meaning that you can buy this and eat and then microwave it. For example, you choose Hokkaido ramen, then after you make the payment, right, you can actually use a microwave, and then they give you the free cutlery, this plastic knife, and then the fork and spoon, and only that you have the free tissue here, right here. Let's see what things they have here. The fruits on discount, $1.99. I see they are well stocked with the items, the food, but that's one thing. Look at the floor. It's like quite narrow. It's like only two people can walk side by side. Very, very narrow. I like to shop in Sheng Siong because there are more variety of the snacks and food compared to the local NTUC or even the post office. I find that's why it's very popular, and they are expanding so fast. So many outlets in the north, south, east, west of the Singapore. And the Sheng Siong management know the space is small, so they don't have trolley here. You can only use a hand carry green baskets. Not sure how many of you have come to this Sheng Siong. Have you come to this Sheng Siong before? Drop me a message. And right here with the civil session. Actually, the live fish and the live seafood, and the crabs, lobster, and even prawns. Now, there are even medicine sold here. Medicine like the Panadol and the fever patches, summer oil, and the pipa cow. We have the bird nest here. And essence of chicken essence. I do see lots of discount for the canned food. The red tags are the discounted items, and I find it's easier to read than the discounted items. The price tags of the NTUC, where it's black color and smaller. This is bigger print. It's useful for those people who have lao wai. The eyes, it means they have some kind of vision problems when you see the near items. You can't really see clearly, so the bigger font is better. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video so far, and give a like so more people can find the video. Thanks very much. Now on the outside of the Sheng Siong, there are some restaurants that are wings for Yoshinoya, and you have a food court here called Food Avenue, and there's a resting area for people to sit relax, chill out. Yoshinoya, where foodies unite. I've never ate the food right here. It's something new, Food Avenue, but there are no customers here. I mean, it's like 9 PM now, and the stores are all closed. So the only option now, if you are really hungry, right, you can grab some pao here, or eat at the restaurant. There's not really much of a choice here. Surprisingly, there's a Ya Kun here. I think here they close early, about 8. Then there are no more food court already. The food, so you have to come earlier. Oh, there's a shop here called Viga. We sell the household item accessories. Oh, look at those packages. And let's look at the price. I don't think it's really cheap, huh? $349.90. Okay, in my opinion, that's really expensive. I just took the escalator up There's a mini shop here and a resting place for youth. I mean, any people can sit here, right? Not just a youth. And there's a tea company called Cable K. I mean, it rhymes like, are you okay, Cable K? Pu is the Chinese means no, K means like okay, so okay, Pu okay, okay, so Cable K. And there's a Starbucks here.